So if you have a Warn Powerplant winch, I got a hold of one, a used one that the compressor did not work on. This is a fix. I could not find any information online video-wise, so I thought I'd make one. Part number 78354, directly from Warn or a Warn distributor, which is where I ordered it from. A little over $23 shipped to me. This is actually the thermal protection overload, I guess switch or something that they've got in this particular winch that is known to go bad. And when it goes bad, it just quits on you. So it actually, I got mine from MontanaJacks.com, which is an actual Warn dealer. There was a few places to get them from. I decided to get them from him. He sends these really nice detailed instructions on what you need to do when you get it, how to access the part, and like I say, detailed pictures, tool list. I mean, it was super easy to do, and I had access to the left side of mine, the end of the case there, which is really the only thing I had to remove to get to mine. But each one of these pictures here and here, I mean, it just literally just gives you step by step. Shows you the comparison of the two, shows you the little mounting ring that you will have to remove from the old thermal switch over to this one, and then tells you just about the reinstall and how to get it back in there. You know, gives you, like I said, this is all directly from Warn. So looking at mine, of course I don't have any line or anything on this one right now. I did not have to remove the top cover or anything like that. But basically when you turn this on, it would not do anything. The winch would work, which I later found out why. There's actually a plug in the back side of this drum, and it connects. You can see where it comes out there. That's actually after I pulled it out. That's the original thermal protector there. And that's the plug that plugs in, which on mine it was unplugged, and I could not really figure out why until after doing a little research. What you've got to do is put this little jumper in this plug, because what happens when this thermal overload quits, your winch will actually stop operating as well. So you have to have that jumper to make it work. So that's something you probably should have anyway, especially if you're running the original thermal protection switch or thermal overload switch. So you know, once you get all that apart, I mean, it's fairly straightforward. Like I say, instructions help a ton, and if you have access to this left side of the winch drum, it's super helpful. Like I say, luckily I didn't have anything in my way. You take two bolts out, which I believe take a 3/8 socket to get those out and remove it. This is the little jumper right here that I pulled off that back plug. This is something I'm definitely going to keep just in case for some reason this particular overload switch quits on me. At least my winch will still work. Got everything back together here. Got the air line hooked up just to do a test, and it worked out just fine. So it was pumping like it should, all operating from the hand control and then the switch on the front. So go to MontanaJacks.com to order yours, and hopefully this helps you out.